Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by matching ports and adapters. This matters because wrong hardware wastes time. Inspect the back or side of your Apple desktop, note Thunderbolt 3/USB-C or mini DisplayPort output, and select the corresponding adapter to HDMI. Once done, plug the adapter into the Mac, then connect the HDMI cable from adapter to the TV input. Make sure the TV input is set to that HDMI port. Keep both devices powered. A firmware update may be needed before proceeding. Once the physical connection is live, you configure Mac OS to use the TV correctly. Open System Settings and go to Displays. If the TV does not appear, click Detect Displays. Decide whether you want mirroring, same image on both screens, or an extended desktop for more workspace. Choose that and then set resolution and refresh rate compatible with the TV. Next, make sure sound routes over HDMI by selecting the TV under Sound Output. These steps ensure video and audio sync and optimal picture quality. To finish, fine-tune scaling and color profile so text and windows look right. Choose Default for display if unsure, and adjust scaling for readability. If you see no signal, first reseat the HDMI cable and adapter, then switch HDMI ports on the TV and restart both the Mac and TV. If problems persist, try a different cable or adapter to isolate hardware. Finally, make sure Mac OS and your TV firmware are up to date. Updates fix many handshake and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.